Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Suvidha. Today we are going to talk briefly but clearly about the washing machine water inlet valve, which is a very important part of any washing machine. The water inlet valve is responsible for controlling the flow of water from your home water supply into the washing machine. Whenever you start a wash program, the control board sends an electrical signal to the inlet valve. The valve opens and water starts entering the tub. This valve works on a solenoid mechanism, and in most machines, there can be a single inlet valve or double inlet valve for hot and cold water. If the inlet valve is working properly, the machine fills water at the correct speed and level. But if it becomes faulty, several problems can occur, such as no water filling, slow water filling, continuous water flow, or error codes like IE, E1, or water supply error on the display. Common reasons for inlet valve failure include dirt or sand particles blocking the filter mesh, low water pressure, coil burning, or internal valve damage due to hard water. To check the inlet valve, first switch off the power and water supply. Then remove the inlet pipe and clean the mesh filter, and if required, check the coil resistance using a multimeter. In most cases, cleaning the filter solves the problem, but if the coil is open or short, replacement of the inlet valve is the best solution because repair is not reliable. Always make sure to use a good quality inlet valve that matches your washing machine model and voltage rating. Proper maintenance and timely replacement of the water inlet valve can save your washing machine from bigger damage and ensure smooth washing performance. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more washing machine repair tips. If you are interested in Hindi video on this same subject, please click on the card given on the screen. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.